Hey everyone, the Serbian electronics manufacturer Comtrade produces the feature-rich smart television known as the Tesla 55E635SUS TV, which is ideal for meeting contemporary entertainment demands. This model is a great option for moviegoers, TV show fans, gamers, and anybody else who appreciates top-notch home entertainment equipment because of its stylish 55-inch 4K display. It uses Android TV 11, which offers a stable base for a wide range of applications and services. The Tesla 55E635SUS's design combines functionality and elegance. It is a chic addition to both traditional and modern environments thanks to its black frame and silver metal front trim. Even with its bigger screen size, stability is guaranteed by the strong central stand. And if desired, wall installation is made simple by the VESA 200 by 200 mounting standard. With two USB 2.0 ports, 4 HDMI connectors, a LAN connection, AV composite, and SPDIF outputs, this model has good connectivity. These choices allow for smooth interaction with media players, gaming consoles, audio systems, and other gadgets. Additionally, the TV has Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi, which increases versatility and lessens cable clutter. Convenience is increased by Chromecast and DLNA technologies, which allow wireless streaming of content from smartphones and other devices. A notable feature of the display is its 4K resolution, which produces incredibly clear, vibrant images. Deep blacks and brilliant whites are produced by the LED panel's 5,000:1 contrast ratio and realistic color reproduction. It is appropriate for gaming because of its 60 Hz refresh rate and 8 milliseconds response time, and its 170 degrees viewing angle guarantees good sight from practically anywhere in the room. Even in well-lit areas, the 350 INAT brightness level of the screen maintains clarity and detail. The sound quality of the Tesla 55E635SUS is likewise excellent. With the addition of Dolby Atmos technology, its two 12-watt speakers offer a rich audio experience for games, music, and movies. Navigation is simple with the TV's well-designed remote control, which has buttons specifically for rapid access to well-known services like Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play. Another area in which this approach excels is functionality. It has an intuitive design and supports a large selection of apps running on Android TV 11. Its upscaling technology guarantees a high-quality viewing experience across all media by improving lower-resolution content to nearly 4K quality. The TV also has smartphone control and voice controls, providing a variety of convenient possibilities. The Tesla 55E635SUS is a dependable and adaptable option, whether you're playing games, viewing movies, or browsing social media. It is a great value for the money because of its clever features, fashionable style, and good performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.